In this quick tip tutorial, I will show you how to enable the Twitch VOD Track feature in OBS version 28. We have a brand new installation of OBS version 28 in front of us, and in case you're unfamiliar with what the Twitch VOD Track is, check out the links in the video description down below, as we did videos about that feature in the past. In version 28, all we need to do to enable this feature is go to Settings. In Settings, we go to Output, and under Output, we choose Enable Custom Encoder Settings. Once we did that, we see a new option, which is Twitch VOD Track uses Track 2. When we enable that, we apply the settings, close the window, and now the Twitch VOD Track is enabled and sends all the audio from track number 2 to the Twitch VOD Track. As a quick reminder, if we go to the advanced audio settings, in here we can see which audio sources are going to which tracks. As a reminder, track number 1 is the Twitch livestream track. Everything going to the track number 1 will be audible during the livestream, and everything on track number 2 will be audible in the Twitch VOD. If we want to mute the music in our VOD, but we want to have the music audible during the livestream, we need to make sure that our music input is going to track number 1 for the livestream, but not track number 2 for the Twitch VOD. This setup requires you to split your audio into two. You need a separate channel for your music, and you need a separate channel for your computer sounds. A tutorial on how to do that is linked in the video description down below. I hope this quick tip tutorial helped you finding the Twitch VOD track settings in OBS version 28. In case it did, please let me know by writing a comment in the comment section below. And if you like this video and want to see more, make sure to follow this channel or click on one of the videos currently on the end card. I am Greeny, this is Greenbox, and as always, I will see you in another video.